Meaning of Idylls of the King.
Idylls of the King.
Idylls of the King.
Idylls of the King.
Idylls of the King. Idylls of the King is a series of 12 narrative poems written by the famous British poet Alfred, Lord Tennyson. The poems are loosely based on the legends surrounding King Arthur and the Knights of the Round Table, exploring themes such as chivalry, love, honor, and duty. Tennyson's Idylls present a romanticized view of Arthurian legend, portraying Arthur as a noble king struggling to maintain order in a world fraught with conflict and betrayal. The work has been regarded as a pinnacle of Victorian literature, representing the era's fascination with medievalism and the ideals of romantic heroism.